In this video, we test the VKAR Bison on a skate park. Oh my God! I've made over $1 million worth of sales selling simple items on eBay, and I make over $100,000 every single year from one of my eBay stores just selling these simple items, and I can help you too. I've now helped hundreds of people set up their own successful eBay businesses. So if you want my help too, guys, I can share with you 3 things that you can do right now to help you get your eBay store off the ground. And I've also got a 100% free mini eBay course that you can click the link down below and you can sign up on that now. Fully free, 100% free, no credit cards, nothing like that, 100% free. It's my gift to you. So if you're interested in that, guys, if you want a better future, if you've got a crappy job and you want to improve in life, click the link down below, guys, kevtalbot.com/eBay42, and I'm going to help you there. All right, guys, enjoy the video. Guys, in this video, we're going to take the VK, whatever it's called, Bison on the skate park and air it out. So far, so good. With a backflip. Yes! The Bison holding up well so far. Try on a backflip. Oh, easy! Does it a lot easier than the Rustler. Uh oh. Oh, what do you reckon? Go for it? Yeah. When in doubt, air it out. Oh, missed. Oh my God! Oh, and it takes it! I'm pretty impressed so far. Oh, oh! It broke! What happened? It took a dirty concrete landing. Uh-oh! Something broke. Something's, oh, hold on. I think it's just popped off. Oh, that was just a screw that's broken. Alright, so back in the workshop, we did bust it fairly early on, but it's only a minor repair that's needed. Let's have a look. So, all that happened was a screw broke off, look. So all I've got to do is get a new screw, and it looks like it's just a normal M3 screw. Put a new screw on there, and it should all be good to go again. The rest of the truck looks absolutely perfect. Here's the underneath. So far I'm pretty impressed with it. It's pretty strong, it's fast. I mean, it jumps nicely, it does all your backflips, it does all your stunts. I mean, we did do that little bit of damage, so I'm not really going to know until I get it all fixed up again and we get it out somewhere else and give it a bit more punishment, a bit more long term. But so far, it seems very, very good. I'm going to put a link to this product down below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button so notified. See you soon. Bye.